Look at all this stuff! Wow! Hey, what's up? My name is Jake. I live in Bend, Oregon, and we're gonna go on a bike packing trip on the UBCO 2x2 and go fly fishing along the way. So let's jump into it. I'm gonna walk you through how to pack the bike. On the front of the e-bike, I have my net and my fly rod. Got the trusty helmet over here that I'll be wearing. And then we got our day pack. The day pack will have all the just readily available things that we'll need. I'll keep most of my fly fishing gear in here because I'll be wearing this while down by the river. I have my fly pack. We got an extra reel. Got the trusty sun hat. Extra flies because you don't want to have the wrong fly. Okay. And here in the saddle we have water bottle for hydration, and the UBCO SE has a Peak Design clip that your phone can connect to for easy navigation. Along the trip we'll be navigating spots we've already mapped out and finding new ones along the way. Alright, let's talk about the back of the bike here. I have a duffel bag that you can just throw a lot of stuff in. The cool thing about e-biking is you can literally pack a lot of stuff. Let's dive into the duffel bag. Alright, so in the duffel bag we have our boots, our waders, we got our sleeping bag, sleeping pad, and an extra blanket. Like I said, you can bring a lot of stuff. Cool. Alright, let's move into the side saddle here. The cool thing about this e-bike is it has room for two sides. In this side bag we have chair, tent, we got grill stakes for our grill, we got a cutting board, and we got the fillet knife. Alright, we're gonna go through the second side saddle. So in this pack we have a speaker that is also a flask. We got a bowl. We have our water filtration systems. We got a water bottle, coffee fixings, very important. A light, a multi-tool, and a saw. Backpacker meals in case we don't catch fish. And then we have a camp stove. And we have rope for when one of us falls in and we have to dry all of our clothes.
It's a lot of stuff. Yeah.
That's a ton of stuff.
Right?
Sweet. So this is what we're bringing. Everything that was in the side saddles and the duffel bag is here on the table. That's incredible. I can't believe we fit all of that on this bike. It only took about 10 minutes to pack the bike, and I'm able to have a luxurious kind of trip on the trail. So that was how I packed my 2x2 UBCO, and I'm excited to see you on the trail.